Zogu.
So guys, this is an art exhibition from 2005.
You might as well spit it.
We've been done long before that. I'm very grateful that I get opportunities like this, man. So guys, this is an art exhibition from 2005.
You might as well spit it.
So Esther Bob was discovered by me back in 20, I don't know. And again, he's so old. Lissosophenius veins. Isaac McNuffery. Hey, sis. Vincent upstairs.
I don't really too much about us going into your So earlier you spoke about like having pillars of like what you center your content on. And then okay, I understand that at some point you may like these specific things and you want your content to be about them. But as people were not cycling and we grow and we the two questions that I have is that why do you personally think that people react the way that they do when they see you changing? Because I see now there's negative comments, people are following and stuff like that. So why do you think people react the way that they do when you now start doing content outside of your initial pillars? And the second one is that then how do you go about introducing this newfound interest that you have to people who are on social media?
You were effective from the beginning, going back to his comment, about you being yourself, uniquely you. The change or the evolution of your pillars is not going to be that drastic. Maybe it will be from immature to mature, but it's not going to be like chalk and cheese. Like it's not going to be like water and oil. There's no way these two things are the same, unless your first persona was negative, you know. That's all it's all.
You asked why. The first question was why you see that you are losing followers and then people are bashing you and all that. I think it's because when you start, you are kind of introducing yourself to everybody who's going to be watching. And if you're going to introduce yourself as this type of person, people are going to assume that you are that type of person. Even if you're not, but people are going to take you, okay, I see what is posting about fashion. He's probably just so into fashion. He's just like a fashionista and everything and what. And then when you change it and be like, okay, now I want to actually just post about food, you know, because I've just found this interest. People are not gonna like that because they're more like, okay, you know, we are used to seeing you in this good outfits and probably we take our outfit inspo from you. And now when you're changing, it's like, what are you saying about us? We should we get like content like this now because we are used to this, you know? So that's why maybe you'd find that people are actually like stop following you and they are bashing you and all that. And also, and then your second question was, how do you introduce this new interest or new pillar? For me, I would say the strategy that I know most people use, that I also use. Every time when you post, just post that one post about that thing that you like once in a while, and then eventually just at some point just be consistent about it. And then because you were posting it like about it every day. For example, now today I just decided, okay, I'm gonna post about cooking, and then tomorrow I just go back to posting my fashion and what, and then next week maybe on Friday I post about cooking again, and then that week it's just a thing. And then if I just decide to post my food and everything, and people have gotten used to me actually posting about this food thing. At first it was a thing of like, okay, why is Buddha posting about food today? Why is he hungry or something? But like it's a thing of like, when you're doing that, yes, people are gonna be like, okay, and then next week you post about it, okay, and then that week is like, okay, it's his thing now. He's just been posting about food lately. I don't know why, but he's just posting about food. And then eventually, and then you get other people that are into this interest, and then they start following you. And then and also let's not forget that posts from a while ago still appear on other people's FYPs. If I posted last year, someone has not seen that video in this entire world. So when they see that post or like that fashion post and then that cooking thing, you getting 2 followers at one time. Yeah, because this other one likes your fashion thing, and this other one likes your cooking thing. You know, when they do, they're all just there for that content of yours, and then you get followers and you grow, and then they just like you for you. So yeah.
This week. Oh my gosh. Is it this week? Oh, because also did a little bit of dating.
You see, there's no privacy.
Can you just please sing happy birthday to Miss?
Oh my word.
You call me more happy or by your name?
Moe Happy.
Okay, let's sing for her.
Happy birthday to you.
On Instagram is Buddha_IG, and then YouTube is Buddha_YT.
What did they say?
Mojo by Mojo, I tibenanga ne Mojo Zaya, I tibene ne Mojo ya Yojo. I hope you guys are doing good. Because if you guys are doing good, then I'm doing amazing. I am sick, first of all. I have flu, but I've gotten better. You know, the past 2 days I was just, yeah, it was bad. But I'm okay because I haven't said anything to you guys. As you guys saw, I went to Harmony today and it was such a great time. It was a very, very great time. I enjoyed myself and I enjoyed the thingy, just and I just prayed actually, thanking God for such opportunities, you know. You don't just get to be called, you know, like that. You know. So I am very grateful that, you know, I get opportunities like this, man. And people that didn't know Buddha's now are gonna know Buddha's somewhere, you know, somehow, because I went to some place to speak or to just show myself, you know. So yeah, I just prayed about that, being thankful and everything. And my family was just so happy for me, bro. They were just so happy for me. That is something I'm actually also so grateful for. Yeah, I don't know how this vlog is gonna go. It's probably gonna be so chaotic. I don't know what I'm vlogging. Last week I knew that I was like vlogging for the whole week, but this time I don't know what I'm vlogging. I'm just vlogging some days, some things that I think are cool or that would be proper for a vlog. But it's not gonna be so long. I'm gonna try not to make it long. It's just a thing of like trying to be consistent and giving you guys content, you know. Yeah. Otherwise, yeah. Please don't mind my voice, because when I have flu, I'm like this all the time. Yeah, well. But Sam, this is a weird show. I feel good. I'm good. I was actually not okay the past few days. I think the past day or two, I don't know. But here's what I mean. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you're gonna know that I posted a video about Kenya a few days ago. And then I haven't seen the comments, but I had people actually coming up to me to check on how I am. And I don't want to check the comments yet because I know I'm gonna get angry and I'm gonna say stuff, and I don't want to say stuff. So I'm gonna go check those comments when I feel like, you know what, I'm ready. Because I know myself, I'm so insecure about my head to the point that even if somebody is joking, I can't take that joke, yo. So yeah, man, but it's gonna be okay. I mean, TikTok is TikTok at the end of the day, so yeah. Otherwise, Mojo, and I'll see you on other clips and videos, and hopefully something productive happens in the week or something cool, you know. Otherwise, I love you guys so much. Mojo. I hope you guys are doing good. Because if you guys are doing good, then I'm doing amazing. That's been happening this week. I don't know. I didn't have a lot to vlog. I didn't, you know, because I mean, I don't want to show you guys when I go to classes every day. Like I go to class, I go to class, I go to class. I thought I was gonna go to work today. Remember I told you that I'm part of the social support. Yeah, I'm part of the social support. I thought I was gonna go to work today, but the event that I was gonna go to got cancelled. So I guess. But I think I'm gonna go buy groceries. But I don't wanna go buy groceries alone. Why? because he's was a plastic. I'd rather wait for Lisa to finish writing because he's writing a test, and then when he's back, or anybody, when someone is available, I'll just go buy groceries, do my laundry, and start editing this vlog, post it, and study because I'm writing next week. So we buy my next door for me. I'm at 1840 rand. Yes. I wanted to buy this one. Yep. Silapa imali yaphela siyazisola sithi imali yami ivapha ku-500 something next year. Right, 5 clippers. Ayibosama ngakwi-dentist. Ufuna ulungisa lizinyo lakhe. Madoda. Did masiyene lento zeni? Into le ndawo ethengisa ipizza. Siyakalabanja.
Aba belikhuphile.
Vela kuthini? Yani bafutshane babafutshane. Siyogqiba imali. Yeah. Hayi ke yabona ke uthini dash yethola apha. Andizohlala apho bani ndandirhalela qha ndirhaleli because they afford the cable scheme and rich bone. Ke wahle kancinci bhanqa. Ya nanga amankara jonga hleli phandle boy. Pholiwe. Nanga
Ungaya ngoba ngakubiza amankara.
ngabo ndiyothini ba
Bizathu sisi.
jonga ndincathame egeyithini andingubherhi. Hayi phambe nazo.
Ichere yake yayinhle leyasesiyithini. Enye nenye. Hayi umcontrol. Engjolela still. Yafana. Akho waphamba. Ithi mbalisele ba. Yaba nomzisi. Ufana yona yalibise lapha angithi. Ay. Sala siwenile. Awutanga kufunele kufuthi kanti mfana. You must cost joint price. Masiya si right kule kufuthi. Anofuma imali yami ngalona. Dilapa silapa silinde ukutya kwethu and abantu aba bayaconga abayazi uba into efana nam bakalindiswa xa ilambile ngiyaphakela ndibuza nina sanongikhaya kona ke ndachaba phapho andarojwa Hayi zazwazi
andarojwa
Maharaj.
ithi ntangama ayibo first drink kwathini
Vaka nexa ndiphendula.
first drink wena man
Mojo yaja.
So I'm about to come out here, but I just remembered something. Don't think about why is he cutting his hair so late. What? Zia is away. Let me show you something. Let me show you something. Ding. Oh. Ding. Oh. Anyway, Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. The reason I'm cutting my hair, I don't know. Oh, I think I did feel like I'm sorry if I didn't show. I don't know. The reason I'm cutting my hair now because tomorrow we have a shoot and it's our first time wearing our match. Yeah, well, mine is written Ooze. I didn't want the Buddha. I don't know. I just wanted cool, just simple name. Anyway, we are wearing our match for the first time. So it's like is it publishing? Yeah, we're publishing. We are introducing it. We are presenting it. Whatever for the first time. And yeah, oh boy, I'm very happy. I'm very excited. So yeah. See you again. Anyway, let me cut my hair. And that was a total sound comes to Jimmy voice major, but I see no worry. Go, but we can make it work. We can make it work. We can make it Samantha. Inga Samantha. Inga Samantha. Yeah, well, it can work. But I don't know about going high because when I go high, I lose the notes. Let me try. Okay, nah, I'm shy, guys. I'm sorry. The shy fit in Hancho. But hopefully I sing a song tomorrow. Then I'll try going high. If I can't go high, the goat. But Mojo. I didn't update you guys. So we bought pizza, me and my friends, and everything and what, and then Bakia and then Bavaya. Because Kalokobona, they are people who go out. Me, I don't go out, so you understand the commotion. So I'm about to cut my hair, quickly study, and then man, sleep. Because tomorrow is a good day, is a big day, is an exciting day. Yeah.
Hashem nogo man, ndiyazamela inogo. No. Mojo. Let me go study.
Wow.
Lomdano dalile na, alomdano dalile na, atale watu dalile na, emdano dalile na, majala.